Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I have for you this no makeup look using all affordable products. If you want to see how I got this look and the products that I used, then just keep watching. Alright, to start out with, we're going to use the Maybelline Baby Skin Pore Eraser, and we're just going to use that to fill in the pores on both sides of the nose. And next I'm going to be going in with the Laura Mercier Radiance Primer, and this is what I use just to give me that all around natural glow, and I believe this works really well. You can use a BB or CC cream if you have one. I didn't have one, so I really chose this and I like the way it turned out. Next I'm going to go ahead and grab my ColourPop concealer, and I'm going to use it in the shade Medium 28, and I'm just going to conceal the areas where I tend to be a little bit more red and just kind of cover up some blemishes that I may have. I'm going in very lightly with the concealer. We're not using a lot of makeup. The whole purpose of this look is to look like you're wearing no makeup. So now I'm going to take the Milani Make It Last setting spray just to dampen my face, and then I'm going to take this huge beauty sponge that I got from Target just to blend out all of the concealer, just to make sure that everything is seamless and of one shade. And again, guys, remember, this is how I do my no makeup look. There's several ways to do it. You can use whatever products that you want to use. So here I go back in with the Laura Mercier Radiance Primer because I felt like after I put the concealer on that I lost some of that shine and glow that the primer gave me before I put the concealer on. Now I'm going in with the Wet n Wild Contour Palette, and I'm going to take the banana shade and just begin to set the concealer that I did put on the eyelids. Now I'm going to take this Milani bronzer slash blush color just to add a pop of color to my cheeks, and I'm going to put it on with a Real Techniques fluffy blush brush. Next I'm going to take this NYX Butter Gloss just to give me some shine to the lips. It doesn't really deposit a lot of color, it's just more shine than anything. And then I'm going to go ahead and prep the eyelashes for falsies, and as you can see here I'm using the Maybelline Mega Plush mascara. And excuse the faces that I make as I put the mascara on. I don't know why, but I make some of the most hideous faces, and when I review my footage I'm like, really girl? Like for real? Now I'm going to pop some Salon Perfect Style 614 lashes on, and then I'm going to take the Maybelline Micro Brow Precise Pencil, and I'm just going to kind of fill in the sparse areas of my eyebrows. And remember, guys, you can totally make this look your own. If you want to totally skip out on the falsies, feel free to do so. This is just what I do because I love wearing false eyelashes. I feel like it really makes the face. Next, I'm going to use the Hard Candy Matte Sheer Setting Spray. I've never used this before. I picked it up at Walmart for $6, I believe. And lastly, I'm taking the Anastasia Glow Kit, and I'm just dabbing my finger in that and very lightly adding some highlight to the high points of my cheekbones. Alright guys, that's it for this no makeup look. If you enjoyed the video, remember to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. And until next time, stay beautiful.